Hi, I'm Chris Cullinan with the Office of Residential Life, and in this video we'll be looking at the last stage of the returning student housing process, selecting a room during your priority time. Before you get to this stage, you'll want to be sure you've completed the first two steps, your initial logon and group formation. Check out our videos on both of these topics. Remember that most priorities require that a room, suite, or apartment is filled, which means that you're going to need a group of people. The person who forms the group is the leader of the group, and they're indicated in bold type on the group listing. This is very important because only the group leader can sign the group up for housing during their priority time. The only exception is the last couple of priorities when you can sign up alone. Study the priorities carefully to find the one that best fits your needs. Try to choose the earliest priority possible to have the best chance of getting what you want. Most priorities are also broken down into credit hour blocks. To figure out your credits, we take the credits you've actually earned and average them with the credits earned by the rest of your group. The Housing Priorities screen will tell you your time for each of your eligible priorities. When it's your time and you're the group leader, it's time to log into the system. When you enter the housing system during an active priority for which you're eligible, you'll see this screen. Click Enter this priority now. Next, select an area. Some priorities will allow you to select more areas than others. For this demonstration, we're going to choose a suite in Hinman. Find the suite you'd like and click Select. If someone else has done this since the page first appeared, you'll be bounced back to the top of the screen. You'll need to scroll down and find another suite. Be careful what you click on. If you don't read your selection carefully, you could end up in the wrong place. Once you select a room, it's yours for 5 minutes. That's plenty of time to do what you need to do, so proceed carefully. On the left side of the screen is a list of the people in your group. On the right are the beds in the suite. Choose a person from the list on the left and click the Click to Assign button on the room and bed you want to place that person in. If you make a mistake, remove the person from the bed and assign someone else. Again, take your time and double-check everything because no changes are permitted once you're assigned. Verify that you're in the apartment, suite, or room that your group wants. Make sure that you have assigned everyone in your group to a bed. If you're happy with the assignment, click Confirm Registration. Otherwise, click Cancel to return to the housing selection page. That's it. Everyone should get a confirmation email, and you're done with the returning student housing process.